I first came to you just to have some PPF on it because I wanted to protect the car. This is an amazing. I had a very good experience first of all, and it's an amazing product which you gave me.
Welcome back, and today we have the XUV700 in the midnight black color, and a lot of cars that we've done, most of them actually have been in the gloss. Now this car is going to be different, that's why we're shooting it, because ye gaadi hone wali hai in matte PPF with the midnight black, and it's going to look completely different from what it's looking right now. Mahindra has started offering a matte color which is in copper orange shade that comes standard from the company, but there is no other matte color if you're buying an XUV700. So this client, we told him, he's already had the car for about a year. So we told him, let's do something different. Let's give a matte finish to this car. And matte finishes on big SUVs look a whole lot better. And well, the client said, I leave it to you. Dekhte hain ki gaadi kaise nikalti hai. I'm sure that the car is going to look amazing once it's done. It's going to look a whole lot better in matte than it looks in gloss right now. We're going to do a basic paint correction on this to prep the paint, because there is no reason to bring out excess shine, but we're going to remove the scratches ताकि बाद में जब PPF निकलेगा, the surface below that should be absolutely clean, but the matte is going to make this car look completely different, and any car can be converted to matte finish with the help of matte PPF. So let's do a quick walk around of the car to show you गाड़ी condition क्या है अभी, and process तो आप देखते जाओगे and wait for the final result. So now, as you can see, after the paint correction stage, we're getting the car PPF installed in the car. This is happening inside the paint booth, which is a dust-proof environment. So, कभी भी अपनी गाड़ी करानी हो, always ensure कि dust-proof environment में ही हो रही है, so that accuracy and perfection in the PPF comes. ये नहीं कि खुले रहे हैं कर रहे हो, there's dust coming onto the PPF. You need a proper enclosed area and a silent area so everyone can concentrate on the car, because installing PPF is actually a work of art. Because if you can't see the lines anywhere, that is the actual form of putting a good PPF on the car. Lines nahi dikhni chahiye kahin pe, it should look like it's paint. That is the most professional way of installing a PPF. So anyways, booth ke andar chalte hain. Let's have a look at how the PPF installation is going. So like you can see, sari gaadi pe already PPF ho chuka hai install, and the color is changed completely to matte. काफी बढ़िया लग रही है गाड़ी इस कलर में. I wish Mahindra would offer it in this color. But actually अगर Mahindra offer करे तो हम क्या करेंगे फिर? But it looks a lot better. गाड़ी ज़्यादा black लग रही है. So midnight black has shifted a lot towards the black. But ये finish is looking amazing. It's looking like the car has been painted. We're installing it on the mirror as well. Now, if you look at the mirror, we're installing the matte PPF on top on the paint, and below we're keeping the piano black ताकि dual finish आए पूरी गाड़ी में. We're not going for an entire matte finish on all the parts. थोड़ा सा gloss and matte का mixture always looks good. So that's what we're doing right now. Installing the matte just on the top to leave the bottom layer glossy. It was always a combination, whether it's colors, you should have at least 2 or 3 combinations of different colors and elements on the car जब करा रहे हो, वरना the car will look too bland जब final product ready होती है. So anyways, let's continue with the entire process, and final में आपको दिखाते हैं ये इस गाड़ी कैसे लगती है. So we're finally done with the car. You've seen from start to end how we've gone about the entire process of changing it from gloss to matte. So why don't you tell us of how the car looks different from when it came into now?
Sure,
and
sure.
you weren't convinced with matte earlier, but now tell me, are you?
Sure, I first came to you just to have some PPF on it because I wanted to protect the car. But you gave suggestion of matte, gave some example how it will look. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the outcome. This look complete a different product than what I what
It
I
feels
came
a
to.
little different now.
It's very
There's
different.
something new about it.
And it's new, yeah. I believe I haven't seen anything like at
Yeah.
least XUV700 on matte anywhere.
Mahindra is giving the orange, that copperish shade
Right.
now in matte, but this color is
Not this
there.
color, yeah. So yeah, thank you so much. This is an amazing. I had a very good experience first of all, and it's an amazing product which you gave me. Thank you.
So, and matte is easier to maintain, so now it won't be so much of an issue than gloss.
That's
Because
true.
matte is easier to clean than gloss as well.
Let's see.
So,
Yeah, hopefully.
So hopefully.
Yes.
Congrats on your new car.
Thank you,
Thank you
Ankit,
so much. Thank you.
and Crankit. Thank you.